Solar system. Planets. Inner planets, called terrestrial because they have a compact rocky surface like Earth. Inner planets. Number 1, Mercury. Number 2, Venus. Number 3, Earth. Number 4, Mars. Mercury. Mercury, innermost and smallest planet. Ang kanyang rotation naman, 59 Earth days. Ang revolution, 88 Earth days. Next, Venus. Spins clockwise on its axis, the hottest planet. Twin planet of the Earth. Ang kanyang rotation, 243 Earth days, 16 hours. Revolution, 224 Earth days and 17 hours. Next, Earth. 36.6 billion years old. Only planet with life. Third planet from the Sun. Ang kanyang rotation, 23 hours, 56 minutes. Ang revolution, 365 days and 6 hours. Next, Mars. Red planet. Olympus Mons, largest volcano in the solar system. Rotation, 24 hours and 37 minutes. Ang revolution, 687 Earth days.